Every F 35 fighter jet contains over 400 kilograms of rare earth materials. Every Virginia class submarine, the backbone of America's nuclear deterrent, requires approximately 9,200 pounds of them. Every missile, every Patriot interceptor, every Predator drone, every precision guided bomb. All of them require rare earth elements to function. China controls 91% of global rare earth refining capacity. For heavy rare earths, the specific elements that make weapons perform at high temperatures, that make magnets work in jet engines, that make radar systems function, China controls 99% of global processing. Not 60%, not 70%, 99%. The United States has zero scaled heavy rare earth separation capacity. Not minimal, zero. Now, here is where this stops being an abstract supply chain story and becomes something that should stop you from scrolling. In April 2025, China imposed export restrictions on seven of those heavy rare earth elements. What happened next was not theoretical. CSIS tracked it in real time. In the 8 months after the restrictions, China exported just 17 tons to the United States. In the 8 months before, 333 tons, a 95% collapse in a material aerospace manufacturers used to coat jet engines so they do not melt. Aerospace companies raised the alarm. They began rationing. They warned that production of certain weapon systems may need to pause, not in future scenario, now. European prices for rare earths reached 6 times Chinese prices, not because of a war, because Beijing changed its export licensing requirements. And while this was happening, CSIS confirmed China is acquiring advanced weapons platforms and scaling up its own munitions, manufacturing at a rate 5 to 6 times faster than the United States. The US just depleted more than half of four critical missile stockpiles fighting Iran. Rebuilding takes 1 to 4 years. Those missiles are built with rare earth magnets. The rare earth magnets come from China. In 2 days, Donald Trump sits down with Xi Jinping in Beijing. Part of what he's asking for, confirmed by CFR and CSIS both this week, is for China to release its rare earth export restrictions so the United States can rebuild the arsenal it just depleted. Oh, yes, the United States is going to Beijing to ask the country it considers its primary strategic adversary, the country it is simultaneously trying to contain over Taiwan, the country supplying Iran's war economy, the country building weapons 5 times faster than America, to please release the materials. America needs to rebuild its own weapons. China does not need to fire a single missile to constrain American military power. It already controls the factory floor those missiles are built on.